Let me show you how to make this delicious protein-packed cottage cheesecake that everyone is talking about. It is light, fluffy, moist, and naturally gluten-free. First, combine half a cup of unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of raw cane sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons each of vanilla extract and almond extract, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Mix everything together with an electric mixer until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, add the juice of half a lemon and the zest of 1 lemon, then mix again to combine. Now, add 4 large egg yolks to the mixing bowl and give it another good mix until everything is fully incorporated. Next, add 1 1/4 cups of cottage cheese. Mix very well to ensure it is evenly distributed. Now, add 1 1/2 cups of almond flour, mixing just until well combined. Set this batter aside for now. In a clean, dry bowl, add 4 large egg whites. Using an electric mixer, beat the egg whites until soft peaks form. Then add the beaten egg whites to the cake batter. Carefully fold them in using a spatula. Use a 9-inch springform pan and smooth the top with a spatula and sprinkle half a cup of almond flakes evenly over the surface. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius for 50 to 55 minutes, or until the cake is golden brown, and set in the center. You might also want to check out this delicious low-carb pumpkin cheesecake here, made with cottage cheese. It is creamy, packed with flavor, and a perfect option if you are looking for a healthier dessert. Check it out now.